Alright, Chapter 3 Summary. Now that you have completed the chapter to show the review of what you've learned with the following some of the refresher on the demodulation basic principle, the typical circle required with the complex of the attack, demodulate for the detection, profit the recreating original modulate for the frequencies, intelligent for the radio frequency, demodulate for the circle of the original modulation frequency, restore the continuous wave of the demodulator circle to the capable of detecting presence radio frequency energy, antenna transformer winding D to the adjustable capacitor, headset, diode, heterodyne detection, locally generated frequency with the beat with the carrier continuous continuous wave of the carrier with the frequency provided an audio output. And receive the signal low oscillator signal mix for the frequency signal rectified mix for the frequency signal auto beat note from the filter regenerated detector produce the oscillation heterodynes within the incoming signal that detects in the antenna tickler coil inductor 1 inductor 2 the regenerative coil resistor 1 capacitor 2 adjustable capacitor 3 the phone series of voltage diode detector rectified diode and the series of the input voltage load impedance. The voltage antenna of the transmitter adjustable capacitor diode capacitor 2 resistor circuit time resistor radio frequency impulse radio rectified signal audio signal shows the current diode detector character of the rectifier diode parallel with the input load impedance rectifier input with the diode inductor resistance of the air common emitter with the detector usually use the receiver to supply with the detected amplifier output. The common base detector amplifier detects you with the portable receivers. Slope detector, simplest form frequency detector, sensitive to the tank circuit if it's thrown slightly away from the desired frequency management. Frequency modulator, force foster sealing discriminator with the double turn for radio frequency transmit form to convert the frequency chain with the radio frequency management. Modulator signal the amplitude variation of the radio frequency wave. The radio detector used the double tune transformer to connect with this instantaneous frequency variation, frequency modulate input signal with the converted with the instantaneous amplitude variations. Gated beam detector uses a specially designed tube limited to detect and amplify the radio received frequency modulate signal. Phase demodulation may be accomplished with the frequency discriminator quadratic detector. Peak detection, amplitude, duration, pulse of the charge with a holding capacitor, restore the modulation waveform. Low pass filter used to demodulate the positive pulse demodulating pulse duration, modulate average of the pulse amplitude over the entire period between the pulse conversion. You convert the pulse ppm pulse phase modulate pulse duration and pulse code modulation pulse duration modulation or pulse amplitude for demodulation. And that was chapter 3 summary.